Welcome to part 4 on the tutorial on how to solder. This will be the final part and we will be showing you exactly how to solder. First thing you need to do is make sure that the board is secure, and you may need someone else's assistance on this. Then you need to apply the solder rag to the wire, the component and the board itself. Let it warm up and then gently apply some solder to it, as such. As you can see, the first component has been soldered in nicely. It took the effort first time, but you just got to keep going till it's secure. As you can see, that was done nicely as well. And just follow the same rules as I said, the first joint in all of them. The last joint, vice versa. Once the components have been soldered in, you will need to make sure you cut the wires, and you'll do this by the wire cutters, which we'll introduce in the first video. And as you have it, the components have been soldered in nicely.